Yes, be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Leave granted in all the special leave petitions. Stop. These appeals are directed against the judgment and orders of the High Court of Punjab and Haryana at Chandigarh. Stop. Basic controversy involved in all these appeals is of similar nature. Stop. Therefore, we deem it appropriate to recapitulate the facts incorporated in Civil Appeal numbers of 2009 arising out of SLP within bracket Civil number 23708 of 2005 filed against the impugned judgment delivered by the High Court of Punjab and Haryana in Civil Writ Petition number 3729 of 2004 on dated 28/7/2005. Stop. It was submitted by the respondent before the High Court that he was always desirous and willing to opt for the pension scheme by counting the work charge service, and he was prepared to refund the amount of employer's share with interest under the EPF scheme. Stop. Stanza. The respondent further submitted that immediately after the learnt about the circulars, he exercised his option for pension scheme, and in fact he has been consistently requesting the appellants to consider his case for grant of pension out. The grievance of the respondent has not been redressed. Stop. The respondent was compelled to approach the Punjab and Haryana High Court. Stop. The division bench of the Punjab and Haryana High Court, after hearing the learned counsel for the parties at length, came to the definite conclusion that the appellants had failed to produce any record showing that the instructions dated 6/8/1993 and 9/8/1994 were actually got noted in writing from the respondent. Stop. Stanza. The High Court further observed that in the absence of any such material, it can well be inferred that the respondent had no knowledge about the options called by the appellants wide circular dated 6/8/1993 and 9/8/1994. Stop. The High Court also observed that it would be unreasonable to deny pensionary benefits to the respondent despite the said circulars issued by the appellants. Stop. The High Court allowed the writ petition filed by the respondent and directed the appellants to permit the respondent to exercise his option in accordance with the circulars dated 6/8/1993 and 9/8/1994 within a period of 1 month from the date of receipt of a certified copy of the order, and thereafter give him the consequential benefits subject to his fulfilling the conditions of eligibility for being governed under the pension scheme. Stop. Stanza. The appellants aggrieved by the said judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court have approached this court. Stop. Full bench judgment of the Punjab and Haryana High Court in Kesar Chand's case within bracket Supra was carried before this court by way of filing a special leave petition. Stop. This court dismissed the said special leave petition. Stop. This court has taken the view that pension is reward for long service rendered by the employee and not a bounty. Stop. The Supreme Court in the case of Stop. Stanza.